All right, people, buckle up. Today we're breaking down the full impact of Hurricane Melissa. And trust me, the number's mad. Let's get straight into it. According to Commander Alvin Gale from ODPEM, the hurricane left 45 confirmed deaths, with 9 more cases still under investigation. 13 people are still missing, and the relief effort, massive. Over 90,000 care packages and 570,000 hot meals have been delivered across affected communities. At this point, Jamaica wasn't just doing disaster relief. We were running a national cookout. The National Melissa Warehouse, managed by the JDF, is running operations with the ODPEM's parish hubs in Clarendon, St. Elizabeth, Kingston, and St. James. More hubs coming for Trelawney, Hanover, and Westmoreland. The JDF also has 22 disaster relief outposts and already completed over 200 flights for relief missions. Here's the big one. 960,000 buildings assessed, 191,000 damaged, and 146,000 of those have major to severe structural damage. Right now, 1,400 people are still in shelters. JPS has restored 64% of customers so far. Telecom providers, about 60% of their network backup. Slowly but surely, Jamaica are come back. To date, over 15,000 donors contributed 540 million Jamaican dollars to the official government relief platform. Churches also step in heavy. Food, clothing, care packages, especially in vulnerable communities. Now, according to Minister Matthew Samuda, the damage to the Water Commission is over $10 billion. The first restoration phase alone costs $3.25 billion. NWC normally serves 78% of Jamaican households, and so far, 76% of those customers have water restored. Coastal plains recover faster because gravity-fed systems don't depend on power. But elevated areas, if JPS hasn't restored three-phase power yet, pumps can't run. NWC has 45 rented generators working right now, and 30 more are being procured. Water tanks are also being deployed for communities still dependent on trucked water. In Manchester, specifically Content, groundwater is rising fast. Limestone aquifers full from Melissa's rainfall. Underground water has risen over 300 feet, and above ground, it's rising 1 foot per day. This happened before. 1977, 2 people died. 2002, it took 3 weeks to recede, but lives were saved because people moved early. In other parts of the island, floods come from rivers, burst in the banks. Melissa didn't just bring rain, she woke up ancient water. Minister Robert Morgan says 400 million was spent preparing for Melissa, but clearly it wasn't enough. The National Works Agency reopened most major roads, but 248 roads are still single lane and 30 roads completely blocked. Cost of road damage so far? 30 billion Jamaican dollars, and that number expected to climb. Minister Dana Morris Dixon reports a lot of school damage. So far, 665 schools are reopened. She stresses the need for stronger climate-resilient buildings. According to Minister Christopher Tufton, Jamaica is now in Phase 1, which lasts about 3 months. Phase 2 restores services to pre-hurricane level. Phase 3, rebuilding long-term resilience. The hardest hit regions, Southern, Northern, and Western regional health authorities. Hospitals with catastrophic damage include Black River, Noel Holmes, Falmouth, Cornwall Regional, Savannah Lamar, and St. Anne's Bay. Black River is so badly damaged, it's decommissioned for now. 71 patients moved to Mandeville. Cornwall Regional lost 200 beds. Falmouth lost 65% of its roof. Savlamar also 65% roof damage plus flooding. Over 100 health centers damaged. 7,000 health workers affected, yet 79% still showed up. Respect to the frontline workers. To move forward, the ministry is focusing on rapid assessments, repairing health facilities, environmental health mitigation, psychosocial support, and staff welfare. 3 field hospitals deployed by international partners add 150 extra beds. Tier 1 primary care units and mobile pharmacies deployed for communities without health centers. Mosquito populations expected to rise. 700 temporary workers hired for fogging, oiling stagnant water, and distributing over 10,000 larvicide tablets. Food safety measures are active too. Hurricane Melissa's damage is massive, from water systems to roads, schools, hospitals, and entire communities. But Jamaica always bounced back, stronger. Make sure you subscribe, stay informed, and keep safe. And remember, no matter what storm passes through, Jamaica always rises.